So I just sent a contract out for signature by typing in one sentence to Claude with no signing app open, no fields to drag, and it came back signed almost immediately. That is SignNow, who is partnering with me on this video, running right inside of Claude. And it's the thing that finally fixed signing for me. For years, my default was DocuSign, and DocuSign is good. It's the name that everybody knows and it does the job, but the price jumps the second that you go past the basics. So the plain signing is the part that you already recognize, and the Claude part sitting on top of that is what makes this a real powerhouse move for me. So here's the version that you already recognize. I upload a contract, I drag the fields where they need to sign and date, and then I drop the signature's email and I send it. On the other end, they get a link, they sign it in the browser, no account needed, and it comes back to me completed. That's a typical loop for sending any sort of signature document. It happens in DocuSign, and SignNow is not reinventing it, but they're elevating it and making it more convenient so that you can use it to partner with your AI assistant. And even if you are using an AI assistant, the documents still carry the same legal validity and the same audit trail as a web app. So this isn't just like a lightweight version of signing something, it's actually real and legitimate. So let's actually jump into this so you can see how to use it for real. You can save a document as a reusable template. The contractor form that you send every month, you can set it up once and reuse it constantly because the fields are already placed. You can add more than one signer if you want to, and you can set the order that they sign in at, which covers most agreements that need two names. And as a lifesaver for me, you can actually have it send a reminder automatically. So if someone's been sitting on a contract for a while and you don't want to chase them directly, you can set a reminder and the AI will do it for you. It's the boring practical stuff like that that decides whether a signing tool actually fits your workflow at all. So while the signing loop is familiar, the pricing is really the part that got me. So SignNow has a 7-day free trial that you can try with no credit card. And once it does get to the paid situation, it actually wins in the pricing compared to other competitors like DocuSign for the same amount of usage. And the per seat math is where it really starts to add up if you have more than one person sending. So in reality, it's the cheaper version of the thing that you're already paying for. SignNow plugs into Claude through an official connector, so you don't have to be sitting in the SignNow tab at all. I can just tell Claude in plain English to send this contract to this person for signature, and it does. The tool I'm already working in all day becomes a place that I send contracts from instead of separate apps that I have to go to and open. So once I've connected SignNow to Claude, I can point it at the agreement and tell it who needs to sign. And it sends it through to SignNow and hands me back the signing link. Then a couple days later, I can ask Claude if they've signed yet. Claude will check with SignNow and it will come back with a status and tell me the update. And the whole routine from opening the app, uploading it, placing the fields, sending it, keep checking back, all of that collapses down to one sentence and an answer from Claude directly. So the work doesn't just get faster, it basically disappears into one simple conversation that I'm already having. And it goes a bit further than just sending. So I can actually ask Claude for a signing link to forward myself. And once it's done, I can have it pull the completed file back down so it's actually saved where I need it, all by just asking one simple prompt. So a normal exchange might look something like this. I can ask Claude to send this to Sarah for signature, and then later I can ask if Sarah signed the contract, and then once she does, then I can ask for a downloaded copy of the contract. And because it's the same handful of documents over and over, I lean on templates. I can ask Claude to list all my templates, then say, pre-fill the contractor NDA with today's dates and the company name. And then it sets it up. From there, I send it to one person or a few in an order. I'll say, send this NDA to this person to sign, then to Sam after, and it routes it through SignNow in that order. Then I just ask where it stands and it tells me who's signed and who's still pending. Okay, so you might be thinking a contract that never leaves the chatbot raises a fair question, which is something like this legit? And the answer is yes, it's all legally binding, just like DocuSign is. So if you're sending the same handful of documents over and over, the same contractor form, the same NDAs, the renewals, anything like that, this is where running from Claude will actually really pay off for you, because the part that used to be an errand is just now one more thing that you can ask in a simple prompt. Okay, so there's two questions that normally come up with this type of tool. So the first one is it legally binding? Obviously, yes, we've already talked about that. But the other question is whether or not the signer needs to sign up for anything, and they don't. They get a link just like you would for any other tool that you can sign directly in a browser. And the person on the other end of their contract doesn't actually care about which tool that you're using because they just have it and they can sign it directly like normal. Let me circle back to the thing that I do with the contracts that I get, because the AI is sending and tracking real legally valid documents, but you still want to eyeball the contract before it goes out. So even though the contract is legally binding, you're on the hook for what's in it, not the AI model. So you can't say, oh, Claude sent this out. So I can still have this contract be sent out and ask for updates and things like that. But at the end of the day, I need to make sure that what I'm sending out is still appropriate. So if you're sending more than a couple documents a month and DocuSign's bill has been creeping up, SignNow is a swap that you can make and get more feasible access to things like Claude. And if you're interested in SignNow, I will link to them below where you can get started with your free trial. Let me know if you've tried a tool like this with Claude and how that went for you. And with that, I will see you on the next one.